Ulrich, we've just finished the AI and Discovery panel discussion at Merck Biopharma in Darmstadt. What did you think of the panel discussion?
I think it was absolutely fantastic and way more people were showing up than we have hoped for. So it shows that the topic is really on top of what makes people think and also at the frontier of science. The panelists were well selected, and I think what is particularly important these days is to bring people together, talking about science, talking about technology, and what good things can come out of it, like the examples we heard of curing rare diseases, finding compounds nobody would ever have thought that they are active in these rare diseases, that people continue to expect a bright and better future and be optimistic and work, as we also announced it with the Make Science Not War Declaration, jointly towards a peaceful, bright future for everybody.
Thank you very much, Ulrich. And it's always really hard to step in after such a beautiful introduction because the Make Science Not War really means a lot to us.
I mean, we could have gone on for hours. Wonderful conversation. We covered a lot of ground, marvelous speakers, packed room. I mean, to me, it was a complete success. I think it was really, really great because the topic is on everyone's lips in the industry right now. I mean, so many people are interested to understand what's happening in the world of AI and drug discovery. And I think we covered a lot of ground today. So mission accomplished.
And also as a field and community, we have to focus a bit on what do we actually deliver for our patients in the end. We need to deliver drugs faster, that are more safe, that really help them in the end. I was amazed by the expertise that those people brought here. I mean, those are leaders of the companies, but still had technical depth, so that was amazing. And of the audience, I really liked, I saw a lot of experts and scientists around the audience who cared about our technologies, about what we actually built, and our senior executives. And it's kind of the mixture of both that made this event nice.
And somehow what I think the paradigm shift of quantum computing in drug discovery could be that we go beyond like, okay, we have a target and we bind to it and we hope that the downstream biology works out. But in the end that you could actually engineer your drugs from the beginning to actually really work on that fine-tuned quantum level.
I think it was really engaging. I think it was great that you got people together from, let's say, from emerging technologies that typically don't always talk to one another. So it's really nice to talk to people coming from, let's say, AI background. What can actually quantum computing contribute to that and, let's say, to the bigger picture? I think we got a very lively discussion going on, and it really felt like at some point that we didn't even have an audience, you know? It was like the chit-chat from before the panel continued. So at least personally, I got many new insights into the field and, I don't know, to the future of what actually AI and quantum computing can offer to the field.
I think AI is accelerating from the early conception of target discovery all the way through to how we manage clinical trials and get therapies to patients faster.
What I really enjoyed about the panel discussion is that as you're building out a company, in this case I'm building out Cradle, you don't always have an opportunity to exchange thoughts with adjacent parts of the biotech ecosystem and people who are spending their days thinking about this. So small molecule discovery to rare disease to clinical trial management to the design of biologics. And having all of these speakers together on one panel is really makes for a vibrant discussion.
I think we should be proud. We're one of the few fields where we're doing AI to do something good, inventing drugs, treating people. I think that's where AI and clever approaches can really change the drug discovery process and shorten the timelines.
The panel discussion was a lot of fun. It was really great. You managed to bring thought leaders in the space of AI drug discovery together and development and bring like leading experts at Merck as well. And it was just really a lot of fun to discuss that and be also challenged by the people in the audience with tough but interesting questions. So really enjoyed it. Really well organized and was lots of fun, and I would love to come back. I know there's more events being organized by Codex, and please keep me informed of what's happening next.